But first tonight, 4 years after 18-year-old Alex Rice was struck and killed by Dr. James Corasanti's BMW, the legal fight over her death is over. This morning, a settlement announced in the wrongful death lawsuit filed against Dr. Corasanti. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Riley here now with more on this tonight.
Well, Joanna, details of the settlement are not being revealed, but attorneys for Alex Rice's parents say it is one of the largest settlements in New York State ever for the wrongful death of an 18-year-old teenager. And her parents, Tammy Schuler and Richard Rice, believe the court action also achieved some very important goals.
They felt that although there will never be closure with respect to the loss of Alex Rice, that this does bring some closure to this chapter.
Really, all you can say under these circumstances is, I'm sorry.
The settlement comes after days of negotiations between attorneys, insurance company, and even Dr. Corasanti.
Wanted to settle the case, thought it was a good idea to settle it, and gave me the authority to go ahead and do it.
I feel the man's guilty, and I would have loved to have heard a jury say, yes, he's guilty. It didn't come to that.
Under the terms of the settlement, Dr. Corasanti is paying a substantial amount of money from his personal finances, and holding the doctor accountable was a major goal of this lawsuit.
It was not without a hardship for him. We know that he had to borrow funds, but that is the greatest signal you can send that at this point I'm accepting responsibility.
It has no meaning to me.
It has no meaning to me either, really. It's what he needed to do.
Another goal, showing that Alex Rice did not contribute to the crash, something her family believed was proven through new testimony, especially from eyewitness Mark Rowland, who said the doctor was not looking forward seconds before his car hit the teenager.
Especially because that ties into the issue about texting.
Dr. Corasanti was not in court for the announcement, his attorney speaking on his behalf.
And he is deeply remorseful for what happened here, and has nothing but the deepest sympathy for the parents of this young girl.
The mutually agreed upon settlement removes any chance of legal appeal or challenge.
I'll never be satisfied. That's impossible. I'm glad it's over.
Tammy Schuler and Richard Rice say they will continue to lobby for Alex's Law, which will make it illegal for drivers to leave the scene after they hit anything. They also plan to use some of the settlement money to get construction underway for the Alex Rice Memorial Skate Park in Amherst. Reporting live, Ed Riley, 7 Eyewitness News.
All right, thanks, Ed. Problems from this